Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell you about an upcoming webinar from NVIDIA. And in this webinar, my friends, you can learn about the non-traditional ways to boost your career in artificial intelligence and how can you use the NVIDIA technologies to boost your career to a next level in artificial intelligence. And I'm sure you must have heard about NVIDIA. It has been in news for overtaking the #1 spot for being the most valuable company. So it just overtook Apple few days back and has become the most valuable company in the world. And not just that, my friends, I will also tell you about the Microsoft Student Hub. And in this Student Hub, this is basically a website or a program from Microsoft, and this will help you learn a lot of technologies, do a lot of certification. So there are a lot of courses that Microsoft is offering to you through this Student Hub, and you can go to this Student Hub. You can learn a lot for free. So for some of the courses, you will be able to gain some certification. However, for other courses, you might not get some certification, but I promise you there will be a lot of learning. So let's get started and understand first of all the NVIDIA part. And now on your screen, you can see that this webinar is called Essential Training and Tips to Accelerate Your Career in Artificial Intelligence. And please note the date. It is on Wednesday, June 26, 2024. And I know that I'm a little bit late here. Apologies for that. But please subscribe to the channel as I keep releasing all these kind of videos where you have the scope to do the free certification, do some learning and take your career to the next level. And further, you can note that this certification is of 1 hour from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. PT. So PT is basically the Pacific time. So in case you are from India, you need to understand that there is a difference between PT, which is the Pacific time, and Indian time IST. So the difference is of 12 hours 30 minutes. So please convert the time according to the time zone that you are living in. So let's see what are the essentials or what are the details given for this certification. Now in this certifications, my friends, first of all, what are you going to learn? First of all, you will learn how to navigate your career using the AI and other technologies. Then you will be able to identify the non-traditional career paths, because these days, of course, the traditional path, they are still continuing, but you and me, we all know that these traditional paths may lose their charm in the next coming times. And that's why it makes all sense to understand what are the new paths, what are the new non-traditional paths to boost your career in artificial intelligence. And that is the main focus of this webinar here. And then you will be also able to explore the extracurricular and training resources, and you will be able to understand the power of connection, LinkedIn and certification. So in this free webinar, my friends, you will be able to gain some real good insights, not just on the artificial intelligence, but you will also understand how to make the connections, how to make the PR on LinkedIn and gain the certification power. So this is all about the NVIDIA. You can see this is the registration form given here, and the link for this registration form is given in the description box. So please go ahead and check this out. So now let's fill in this one. So I will just fill in my details here. So here I go. I will just put my personal email ID and then I will just say the tech blackboard here. And please don't worry, it says that you have to provide your corporate ID, but the personal IDs works as well. And then you have to select your industry. So let's see what is the best fit for us. I will say okay, so I will select the cloud services. Then I will select what is the job title for me. So you can select any job title that suits you. For now, I will just select this one which says IT specialist. I will say, okay, for now, I will just say India. And then, of course, the preferred language, I would say India English. Okay, let's go with that. Then I will just choose, no, this is optional, so I will not choose that. And then just say register. Okay, so now you can see that I've been registered with this webinar here. So let me check if I've got some email for this, because it says that you will receive an email with the instructions in just a little while. And now you can see that I have received the confirmation from the NVIDIA for the webinar, which is upcoming on June the 26th. So here you can add it to your calendar if you want. The time zone and the time is also given. And then this is the link. This is the button for you to join the webinar. And now let's talk about the Microsoft Student Hub. So this is the Microsoft Student Hub. The link is given in the description. So here, first of all, you can note that there are so many learning and so many courses to do. And of course, you can choose your course. You can choose your learning according to your taste or whatever career path you want to be in. So to start with, here you can see that this of course is a student hub, and here you can see that we have GitHub certification fundamentals. If you click here, then you will understand to register now. So here you can see that this one, which has been a live stream from Microsoft. So here in this video, you can understand what are the ways to interact with Copilot. And trust me, my friends, I've been using Copilots. So recently I used the Copilot for multiple 2-3 projects, very small projects. I just wanted to kickstart. I just wanted to understand how to use Copilot. So I choose very small projects. What I did was I choose the Copilot to optimize some of the queries and also do some documentation and code commenting in already existing code. And trust me, it did a very well job. So please go ahead and learn this one, Copilot. And then you can see what are the other related events. So this event here, and what are the exact related event, what are the exact dates, upcoming dates, and also what is the format of this learning or this course. So here you can see that we have other courses as well. For example, we have a gentle introduction to the Azure deployment environments, .NET Aspire Developers Day. And similarly, my friends, you can also understand the other things given here. So here you can see that we have AI kickoff projects, and this is very good. This is really wonderful in case you really want to understand how the AI works. Here you can see that if you go to this one here you can see that you can do some small projects to understand. So these are stepping stone, you can say, and these are very easy to carry out. You will be able to do this project in some minutes, half an hour or 1 hour. But these projects, these small mini projects will give you a good insights. You will be able to understand artificial intelligence, because you know one thing is happening. You have a lot of courses, you have a lot of videos on YouTube to understand the artificial intelligence, but the real projects are missing. So these ones here, you can really get your hands dirty on the artificial intelligence. And to start with, for example, this is the challenge project. So you will be able to understand and how to build a mini game with GitHub Copilot and Python. What else you can ask to get started with artificial intelligence? And also you can also do some image analysis. You can also do some generation capabilities to your application. And not just that, you will be able to build a AI powered workspace helper application. So here all the details, all the other application and all the other sample projects are given. Let's check out what are the details for any part. Okay, let me just go with this one here, which says the image analysis. Now here in this one, you can see that this one is for 1 hour 20 minutes. Here you can see that. So this one is for 1 hour 20 minutes, 80 minutes in total. And this one is a challenge project. So as you proceed, as you go ahead with this project, you will be supplied with all the information, how to go about it, instructions, and pretty much everything that you need to complete this project. So a really good learning, my friends. Please go ahead, do these small mini courses. This will help you more than any video or any course that you have done so far. Okay, so besides those mini projects on artificial intelligence, what else you can learn from Microsoft Student Hub is this one. There are a lot of self-paced trading, and this one here, my friends, this will really help you understand what is the full potential of artificial intelligence. You will be able to understand the latest technologies, including Microsoft Azure OpenAI and also Neural Voice and GitHub Copilot. So this basically is a video format. So once you come here, you will be able to see this video. You will be able to understand all the nitty-gritties. So this is approximately 1 hour video. So please go ahead and watch it. And not just that, you will also be able to understand the wonders of prompt engineering. And this is probably a lucrative career in itself. So here you can understand all about the prompt engineering. You'll be able to understand the GPT models, the various GPT models, starting from the GPT-3, GPT 3.5, GPT-4 and other things as well. You'll be able to understand what are the basics of it, what are the core components of prompt engineering. So here, as you can see, that how to build the simple instructions, how to build the complex instruction, everything is given here. And then you will be able to understand the primary content, and a lot of examples are given. So please dwell into this and you will be able to make the most out of the prompt engineering. So let's go back and then we will reach once again here. And what other stuff that you can learn in Microsoft Student Hub? So this is where you can master the core principle of prompt engineering with GitHub Copilot. So as I was saying you that I use the GitHub Copilot for multiple small projects, and this kind of videos gave me a real insights of how I can actually leverage the GitHub Copilot So go ahead, watch this video. This is a short video, not a very long video, but you will be able to gain very good insights how to use prompt engineering with GitHub Copilot. And you can see all the related videos here. And yes, my friends, please do not miss to watch all these videos here. I have already created tons of videos on free certification, NVIDIA, Google, LinkedIn. So you name a big company, you name a big brand in the industry, and I've created some videos. You can watch this video, understand and take the leverage of all these free certification. Who knows that by learning all these certifications, you might land up in your dream job in all these big names itself. So please go ahead and watch all these videos. The links are given in the description box. They're also flashing on the top right corner. And in case this video has helped you in any way, then please subscribe to the channel. Press that bell icon so that timely notifications reach you, and please give this video a thumbs up. Please like the video, and that's all for today. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay fit, keep learning, and thanks for watching.